If your Wi-Fi is not showing on Windows 11 or Wi-Fi is not working on Windows 11 by any reason, we will try to fix that, and we will follow very easy steps to fix that problem. Anyone can follow these steps, as it's really very easy to follow, so please make sure you watch the whole tutorial and follow the steps one by one. So the very first step is check if your airplane mode, the flight mode, is turned on or off. So to check the flight mode, the airplane mode on Windows 11, press Window and as an alpha key together. So the moment you press Window and it together, you will see your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth flight mode. So if the flight mode is turning on, please turn it off. Once you do that, we'll move to the next step. Now the next step will be the troubleshooter of Windows 11. So you just need to type Troubleshoot and it will find Troubleshoot settings. Once you click on that, you will find other troubleshooters. So Windows 11 itself has a troubleshooter just like Windows 10. However, it is really very powerful when it comes to fixing Windows, update, Wi-Fi issues, any kind of network problems, driver issues. This Windows 11 troubleshooter works very well. So here, once you search Troubleshoot, you will find other troubleshooters. I'll click on that, and here we have this internet connection. You just need to click on Run. It'll start scanning the whole computer. It'll start checking if there is an issue with the Wi-Fi. If there is a problem with the Wi-Fi, it'll fix it for you, especially in Windows 11. You can do the same thing on Windows 10 computer as well. Once you do that, try to connect your computer by just pressing Window and just click on this arrow icon, connect to your Wi-Fi, and see if that works for you. If that doesn't, we'll move to the next step. So the next step is to do a right-click in the Start icon and click on Run, and until we need to type ncp a .cpl. Once you have timed it, click on OK. A new window will appear which says Network Connection, and here you will have all of your adapters. So if you're connected to your Ethernet cable, it'll show it here. If you're connected through Wi-Fi, it'll show it right here. So you just need to do a right-click on your Wi-Fi and you need to click on Disable. And the moment you disable it, wait for 2 to 5 seconds. Let it disable, and once it is disabled, just do it double-click. Or you can simply do a right-click and click on Enable. So once you click on Enable, for most of us, this will fix the problem. And here you will have your Wi-Fi icon back. And if Wi-Fi icon is missing on Windows 11, this is a very easy fix for that. Once you fix that issue, that's well and good. Let me know in the comments section. If it doesn't, we will move to the next step. And for that, we just need to do a right-click in the Start, and then we need to go to this Device Manager. Now, once the Device Manager is open, I'll just maximize it. Here you will find network adapters. So we are looking for network adapters, and you will find it middle with the applications. I mean a lot of drivers. Once you find it, click on that, and here we are looking for anything which says Violet. So you might be using Intel or Realtek or any other wireless adapter. You just need to select that and also take a note of it, that which wireless adapter you have. And once you have noted down, do a right-click. Click on Update Driver and click on Search automatically for drivers. If it says the best driver is already installed, do a right-click, click on Disabled, and then do a right-click and click on Enable. That will also refresh the network, and if there is a Wi-Fi issue, that will be fixed. If there is an issue with the driver, if you are. Wi-Fi adapter has a very old driver or a very latest driver, which is not compatible. So for that, you can just do a right-click, click on Update Driver, and click on Browse My Computer for Drivers, and then select Let me click from a list of available drivers. And here you can select one by one. So you can try with the top one, then go with the second one. Click on Next, see if that works for you. If that doesn't come back here, select the next one, and in this manner, you will be able to fix the Wi-Fi problem if there is issue with the driver of wireless adapter. Once it is done, close this window. If that fix will end good. If it doesn't, the next step will be by just doing your right-click and click on Settings. And here you will find Windows Update. And whatever the updates you have, you need to click on Check for Updates. And if it's asking you to download and install, like that, like mine, then you can install it, sometimes updating the Windows to the latest versions. It'll fix the problem. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.